golfer setup here is a little bit front loaded, but what I mean, it looks like he's leaning a little bit too much onto the lead side. So we're going to watch the takeaway here to see if he gets his shoulder down behind the green line and his right shoulder up to the green line. Now here's what happens, how his hips and everything are starting to move in the wrong direction. We need the butt to stay behind the green line as he makes his turn. Otherwise, you get a sensation that you're kind of tipping over towards the target. And that's what he's done here. And that creates an over-the-top swing, inside-out, outside-in swing. So he's going to move into the shot. Notice he's keeping his head back nice. And he's getting a fairly decent amount of lower body rotation right into here. But then he just stops rotating his lower body and just all arms through here. See, it's kind of reaching out for the shot. That's because he's failed to rotate this way with the lower body. The right knee at this point should be further rotated than the right shoulder. Okay?